सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी. वी सो ग्लैड टू हैव यू विद अस. मेरे साथ मिस्टर विकास बंसल. ऑफ कोर्स आप सारी डिटेल्स नीचे पढ़ भी सकते हैं व्हेन यू वॉच दिस वीडियो. एंड फ्रॉम Amazon पे. मुझे लगता है ना, जहाँ Amazon का नाम लेती लाइफ में ना, अब हर चीज का सिनोनिम हो गया. लाइफ यू वांट टू शॉप, यू वांट टू पे, इट्स बिकम लाइक लाइफ नाउ. टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो, है ना. मतलब मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, जैसे रेडियो के लिए हम रेडियो सिटी कह देते हैं, हम रेडियो सिटी सुन रहे हैं, कुछ और भी सुन रहे हैं, तब भी लोग बोल देते हैं. इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ बिकम्स अ सिनोनिम समटाइम्स.
Right.
But thank you for joining us. Thank you for being a
Sure.
lifeline.
Yeah, well, my pleasure to be here, and thank you for inviting me.
And there's this one question that I always ask people who lead a team. This is besides the question paper that I have in my hand. Um, Tough days like the ones that we've just seen in last 2 years, and also normal days when life's a little upar niche. It's tough to run a team. How do you keep yourself motivated to lead a team? What keeps you motivated to pull the strings?
Yeah. Oh, it's a good question. So, mera motivation to aata hai, in terms of the opportunity and the impact. If you
Right.
look at India, India is so far behind, and in terms of digital payments.
Yes.
आप देखिए हमारा digital payment penetration is about 30% of all personal payments are on digital today.
Yes.
We've come long way. It used to be 10% when I joined Amazon, so we've come a long way as a country. And but if you look at US is 80%,
Yes.
Sweden is 95%. So there's a tremendous opportunity. And with that, also to make an impact on the lives of people, because the complexity they face, the access they don't have, and the kind of aspirations they cannot live, we are on a mission. हमको करना है, हमको
Yes.
we want to see India grow. We want to see Indian economy grow. We want to see India people grow. That's what keeps me motivated. And that's how I charge up my team, keep my team motivated to say like, look, one is about saying I'm doing my job, and one is saying that I'm truly making an impact
Yes.
of for the country.
Agreed.
And when I see these stories, in fact, Hardin Huasan is only that campaign to talk about real life stories on how the little work that we are doing is impacting crores and crores of people. Kitna unpe, how we are making positive impact. That's what keeps us going at Amazon Pay.
Fantastic. मतलब personal motivation भी अगर काम से आए ना, तो फिर there's nothing
There's
better.
nothing better.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल वही
No,
वही
I
है
can
वही.
feel this bit. Like, I was on a break and I just joined today, and I realized
Yeah.
even if I'm on a holiday, after the third day, I have severe withdrawals. I miss my
Yeah.
studio. So it sort of it works. So let's
Yeah.
getting back to the questions that I have in my hand, and very important. We're talking about digital payments. As Amazon Pay and a leading player in the market, what are the major challenges जो आपने face किए हैं digital payments को लेकर इंडिया में, especially tier 2, tier 3 cities में, towns में?
जी देखिए पेमेंट्स के दो तीन चार मेजर इश्यूज हैं. पहले तो जो पेमेंट्स लोग करना चाहते हैं, 2-3 साल पहले 1 and 2 यूज्ड टू फेल. दो पेमेंट डिजिटल पेमेंट करेंगे, एक फेल हो जाएगा. यू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि ये चलता भी है कि नहीं चलता है, राइट?
Yes, yes.
सेकेंडली लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा ही नहीं है कि डिजिटल पेमेंट्स कैसे करना है, क्या इसका फायदा है. तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल do not even know what are the benefits of digital payments, so they just use cash, and then hence they are not able to access things like sitting in say Bathinda in Punjab, you don't know what you can buy right online using digital payment. It doesn't work right in that way.
Absolutely.
The other thing is also you see people line up in lines, queues to pay their bills, to get their cylinders, and so many things, right? It's just a lot of complexity. And those are the kind of complexities that exist कि पेमेंट फेल हो जाता है, कैश में ही कमाते हैं, कैश में खर्च करते हैं, पता ही नहीं है डिजिटल पेमेंट्स क्या होता है, उसके फायदे क्या हैं, या दैट जस्ट एक्सेस नहीं मिलता है टू पे योर बिल्स और टू बाय ऑनलाइन. तो उन सब चीजों का द प्रॉब्लम्स आर मोर इन लाइक व्हेन यू गो टू टियर 2-3 सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया. बात करें हिसार, हरियाणा में, पंजाब में, I come from that part of India as well.
Yeah.
So those are the problems we are after is, and it requires two things. One is how can we solve friction कि payment कभी ना fail हो. Second is how can we provide access कि somebody doesn't even know how to use a digital payments. Can we educate that person कि कैसे आप आप सेटअप कर सकते हो, लेट्स से यूपीआई कैसे सेटअप कर सकते हो, उसको कैसे यूज करते हो, कैसे उसका फायदा है, तो दैट्स अ सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ इट इज देन आप इस हम सारी चीजें Amazon ऐप में ही आपको दे दें, so that you can do anything with it, like without leaving the app, right? So
Right.
that it's easy for you. And the fourth thing I think I forgot to mention also, Divya, is also Ajay, is about safety and security, because अभी भी लोगों को लगता है कि डिजिटल पेमेंट से मेरा मेरा सेफ्टी है कि नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी है, मेरा अगर मैं बैंक अकाउंट से लिंक कर दूंगा तो उसमें फ्रॉड हो जाएगा, मेरा पैसा चला जाएगा, आइटम नहीं आएगा, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर, and it's us
Yes.
as an industry to educate first make sure that things are really safe and secure.
True.
Secondly,
Very true.
educate customers के देखो इसमें अच्छा भी है और safe भी है, fast भी है, or it'll simplify your life. So all these things are what keep us going at Amazon Pay.
Fantastic. And I think, I believe the new campaign जो आप लाए हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं इसी चीज को ड्राइव करने के लिए है, so that लोगों में awareness आए. So we can just hear a
Yeah.
little more about the campaign.
Yeah. No, it is about just again sharing stories कि देखो जिन्होंने डिजिटल पेमेंट अडॉप्ट किया उससे क्या उनको उनका लाइफ में क्या चेंज हुआ, राइट? एंड वी ट्राई टू डिपिक्ट स्टोरीज कि one is like you are like typical way in this town, you get your electricity bill, you go to the bank, or you go to the electricity office, and you line up in the queue and you pay your bill, right? And cash the bill they pay and you're done. But it takes you 2-3 hours. Now sitting at the
Yeah.
comfort of your home, you can just pay instantly. And uske saath mein, because you've tried it, you can also get some cash back, right? Rewards
Yes.
with it. So then that's a story. You are in a store. Change ka itna bada problem hai. You go to a store, you want to buy something, and पहले cash carry करना है, फिर change नहीं होता है, उसके पास change नहीं होता है, you end up like hassle.
Yes.
Now you can just scan QR and pay, like no change, instantly get out, right? Or what I was just saying earlier, you like a scarf that you saw one of your friends wearing, but it's not available in Hisar. Can you just now go to Amazon and buy it digitally, right?
Yes.
And pay? So
Yes.
there are a lot of these things we're trying to depict stories, and the point of it is like, say अगर आपने कभी try नहीं किया तो try करके देखिए, इसका क्या फायदा है, इसमें क्या safety है, security है, इसके क्या. So so then we're trying to educate customers, first of all, the benefits of digital payments. Secondly, we are trying to also showcase people who have adopted how their life has changed for good, and
Yes.
how they are able to now live better. So that's the idea of this campaign. हम इसके माध्यम से पहुंच रहे हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को पहुंचना चाहेंगे, और ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छा ट्रैक्शन मिल रहा है इसका, तो हम बहुत खुश हैं इसके लिए.
हर दिन आसान, basically.
हर दिन हो आसान, हर दिन. We want to be where you are. We want to make your life easy. That's the motto.
Sir, also the small merchants वो बहुत critical role play करते हैं हमारी day to day life में, economy में. आप उनके लिए और भी कोई initiatives लाए हैं, to convince them to accept digital payments and making them more aware, the small merchants?
देखिए MSMEs और हम small business, as you're right, हमारे इंडिया का बैकबोन है. वो ग्रो करेंगे तो हमारी इंडियन इकोनॉमी ग्रो करेगी. And then if you look at last many years, they are yet to be part of the digital revolution. They're getting there. We're making a lot of progress. So हम अपनी तरफ से there are many things we're doing. The basic thing is scan and pay, so that we can get these merchants, these stores to sign up like very easy, and print a QR and paste it and start accepting digital payments. Like that's the first thing we are doing. We are reaching to really top deep part of India. In fact, we are now there in 350 se zyada cities and towns where we are already present, and we are expanding by day. We have 70 lakh plus merchants that we have already onboarded, right? That's number one.
Yes.
Number two is then, how, like एक बार आपने sign up कर लिया, then how can I make your life easy so that what are your transactions, कितना आ गया, can I get you real time notification के जितना payment हो गया आपको मिल गया. Sometimes you're in the store, you don't even know, because cash में तो cash हाथ में आ जाता है, you know that I've got the cash, but sometimes digital payments, the merchant want to know कि पैसा आ गया कि bank account में नहीं आया है. तो
right,
giving that real time reminders to make sure, yes, आपका पैसा आ गया है, तो keep going. So those notifications becomes very important जो हम कर रहे हैं. फिर उसके बाद one of the big problem that these small businesses face is access to credit. कि देखो आपको धंधा बढ़ाना है तो पैसा चाहिए, पैसा तो उतना ही है, कैसे बढ़ाएंगे? अगर लोन ले लेंगे तो उससे बढ़ जाएगा, प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा, तो I can grow my business, I can grow
True.
myself, right?
True.
So we are also helping, because as Amazon, we have very deep partnerships with all the banks and NBFCs in the country. We want to help all these businesses give loans, but loans may be very transparent, low interest, no fees, very transparent policies, because Amazon is all about that we want to provide value. We want to be very clear and transparent to customers, merchants, sellers, right? All of them. So we are also helping, in fact, all these small businesses जो sellers अभी बन के हमारे platform में भी sell करते हैं, तो उनको already loans आज की rate में चल रहे हैं at very competitive price. एक और हमने अभी feature launch किया है कि lot of times what happens is एक store में आप अगर एक कॉलोनी से दूसरे में होते हैं, आपको पता ही नहीं होता कि स्टोर में क्या क्या है.
सही बात है.
So we launched feature where you can actually discover के स्टोर Amazon पे स्मार्ट स्टोर है, उसमें ये सारा आइटम अवेलेबल है, सारी चीजें अवेलेबल है. You can actually see it. The other thing is कि आपने कुछ चीज देखा, ये अच्छा है कि नहीं है, चलता है कि नहीं चलता है, रिव्यूज क्या है, दूसरे लोगों ने यूज किया, क्या था उसका, तो customers can actually see the reviews. Then they can actually use, like, इसे अगर आपको कोई ऑफर है, बैंक का कैशबैक का कोई ऑफर है, वो आपको वहां पे मिल जाएगा पूरा. और उसके बाद आपको इंस्टॉलमेंट में लेना है, आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड से लेना है, आपको डेबिट कार्ड से, किसी से भी लेना है, Amazon पे प्रोडक्ट से लेना है, you can go pay on your app and then pick up the item from the store and walk out of the store. So it's called Smart Stores integration. So basically सारा कुछ इंटरेक्शन आपकी ऐप से हो रहा है. आप उसको दिखाओगे, मेरा पेमेंट हो गया, आप आइटम उठाओगे और you can walk out of the store. So the same experience that's online, we are also bringing in offline world, so that you as a small store owner, you can get a lot more new customers. You can also increase your sales. So that's another one we are doing. So there's a bunch of these things we feel like are very important for those small businesses, and to help them grow their business.
It's brilliant. Like I started my conversation, sir, Amazon has become a life, Matlab, I remember we used to carry like these huge bags for everything when we used to step out. Right now we just move with a phone और सब कुछ हो रहा होता है. Like anything you need at any point of time, I think Amazon has sort of become quite synonym for the same. So जाने से पहले एक final message for everybody who's watching the video and hearing us on video. A final message for all the customers, people like us who will consume things.
Yeah. देखिए, digital payments, sometimes that whether they work, they don't work, whether they are safe or secure. मेरा यही आपसे गुजारिश है, यही आपकी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप डिजिटल पेमेंट्स को अडॉप्ट करिए. इसके बहुत फायदे हैं, सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी, कन्वीनियंस, रिवॉर्ड्स, कैशबैक, बहुत फायदे हैं. आप करिए, इसमें करेंगे तो यू विल रियलाइज हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज एंड हाउ इट सिंप्लीफाइज योर लाइफ. आपको लगेगा कि अब हर दिन हुआ आसान, एक्चुअली में हर दिन आसान होगा. तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट आप यूज करिए और खुश रहिए.
मतलब मैसेज भी फाइनल Amazon पे की तरफ से है, Amazon की तरफ से है, और आने पे मोटिवेशन भी वहीं से है. This was fantastic, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us, and it was really pleasure to hear you and understand so much about Amazon.
Yeah,
thank
pleasure,
you.
RJ Divya, and pleasure. It was very pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day, sir. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye. Bye.
Radio City.